Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today video I'll try to explain how we can transfer from Pioneer to Binance account. So let's start. As you know that it's very difficult to transfer fund from your bank account to Binance account. In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Pioneer to Binance account. So let's start. There are several steps you have to follow. In step 1, simply open your Binance application on your laptop, on your mobile phone, and you need to click on Assets. As you can see on this screen, I need to click on Asset. This is my Binance application. I will click on Assets. After click on Asset in step 2, as you can see, now click on Add Funds. After click on Assets, I have this screen and it's showing that Add Funds. If you want to add funds, click on Add Funds. In step 3, now click on Buy with USD. As you can see, after click on add funds, there's one option is called buy with USD. After click on buy with USD, in step 4, you need to write how much USD you want to add in your Binance account. So simply you need to write, for example, $50, $100, $2,000, how much you want. Simply write here USD. For example, 50, I want to transfer 50. After click on this, as you can see, click on Visa card option. In my case, because I already add my card here, but if you are new, if you are adding your card first time, you will have option like add a new card. So you need to click on this. For example, I click on Visa card option here. After click on this, I have, as you can see, my card already add here. You have several options to add add fund here, like with Apple Pay, with AirTM, Skrill, and so on. But for example, this is my card. It's already add in my account. And for example, if I want to change, I will click on change. As you can see in step 6, I can change the card. And as you can see, I have option now, click on add new card. I can click on add new card. After click on add new card, I can provide my card information for debit card or credit card information here. And I will click on confirm. After click on this, as you can see in step 7, I need to click on preview order. And I need to click on preview order. As you can see, it's a $50 and I will click on preview order and my card is add here, as you can see. And then I need to click on continue. I will have this screen and I will click on continue, and then I will have several options for authentication. And after that, I will add my $50 in my Binance account from Pioneer. It's quite simple video for you. If you have any question, you can write me on comment, and I hope it will help you. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.